In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's see how we can implement this problem. Okay. So we have nums, input as nums, and then we have an output. So what I will do, I will first let's start by the approach one that we have discussed. Okay. So for that approach, I will simply run a loop that will start from 0 to my nums dot length. Okay. And then I will take one product equals to 1, and inside it I will take again one for loop. It will start from again equals to 0 to dot length. And what I will do, I will simply check if my j is equals to I. I will simply say continue that. Don't need to do anything. Okay. And in the rest of the thing, what I will do, I will simply find product. It is product. I can simply write it as product in equals to the terms of G. And in the rest, I will store one as a resultant array. Suppose this result array. Okay. And I will simply say of I equals to product. That's it. You asked, we can simply return this. So this will be our one approach. Here the time complexity will be big of n square. Okay. And if I check out the next approach, approach 2. So here we will take one, so left product in there. Okay. And then I will take one prod, basically product for simply multiplication, and then we'll start. So let's take one simple array that will start from 0 again, 0 to nums dot length. And we can start from 1 because we are taking left product, right? So for I is equals to 0, there won't be any left element, right? So I can directly start from here. And we can simply store it. So we started from output length, and I will simply put product equals to whatever the product into my nums of I minus, that means the last element, and simply I will store in the left product dot append, push, whatever you want to do, and simply store it, right? You can start this left product by your one element is 1, right? So I can directly mention left product of 0, that will be my 1. Okay, and then I will push it. Then what I will do, again I will create one right product. There will be one right product as well. So right product will be a new array. And again I will start code equals to 1, and I will again start I equals to, now I equals to left, like last element. So nums dot length minus 2, not 1. Why I'm doing minus 2? Because for their right element, for the rightmost element, n minus 1 element, there won't be any right element, right? So I can directly say that will be simply for 1. If I am starting from last element, there won't be any right element for this last element, right? So we will start from here and we can directly put in the right product, it is 1. Okay, that will be greater than 0, I minus minus, and then we will start a product equals to whatever the product is into nums of I plus 1. So here you can see if I'm starting from n minus 1, it will be n, which will be again undefined. So that's why also we have not put it. So right product of I will be equals to product. This is how you can mention. And in the last, okay, because you need to push 1, so you can simply in the last I put push 1 L. Alright. So in here you will get a complete left product and right product, right? So your left product will be something like 120, then 60, something like this. 126. I guess this was 60, then 40. This was an answer. 40, 30, and 24. This was the answer. And from here, I guess I'm taking about the left product, that it will be around something 120, then 20, something like this. So this is your right product, and now it's time to multiply the right product and your left. So if I'm multiplying my left and right product, right away, I will start from I is equals to, again, I can multiply from everywhere, like I is equal to 1 also we can start it. So let's see. So let's suppose we started from the first element itself. So I is equals to 0. And I will simply run the loop elements of again and plus plus. And now what we need to do? Our resultant I of volt of I will be equals to I left product of I into right product of, okay, and then this will be one answer. So I will this volt. So now you can see in this approach too, we have created a left product, then multiplication, and then we have done a right product, then a complete multiplication of it, and then we have like return the answer with the result. Now we can simply short this, right? So the last approach that we have discussed, we can do it by this. So what we will do? Okay. So again, this is an approach 2 only. So I will simply say approach 2.a. What we are doing here, we are calculating one product equals to 1. Okay. And we are storing only left or either right. Okay. Only one array. We are creating only one array, either left or right. Okay. So suppose I am creating a right product. Okay. Right product will be is equals to my new array, and that will be my nums length. Okay. And I'm directly filling it with 1. So my all the elements will be of like this, comma 1, comma 1, comma 1. Okay, this will be my right. Now what I'm doing, I will simply running a loop that will start from again nums dot length minus 2, and I will be greater than equals to 0, I minus minus, and here I will take the product into equals to, that will be nums of I plus 1, and whatever I have to the right product of I equals to 2. So here what I am doing, I am calculating my product. Product will be product into or product equals to product into nums of I plus 1. So whatever the product is, I am multiplying with the element that is in the nums, and that will be my product that I am storing here. Right. Okay. Now after this, what I need to do is need to multiply with the elements. So what I will do, again, I will start the product equals to 1. I will multiply all my elements. So I will less than spot length plus product into equals to, so this one. I will simply type a profile post. That's it. That will be your answer. And in the last, I will simply return my right product. So here you can see in approach 2.8, right? 2.8, you don't need to do so much hard work of creating left product and right product. Right? Simply creating one product, okay, calculate like one variable with product, right product array, and then we are simply calculating my right half, and then I'm simply multiplying by the elements. Okay, no other further extra array needs to be created. Okay, this was the only one. So now in the next video, let's quickly check the dry run of this code. Okay, so we will check the dry run of this approach 2.8, how we have done it. Okay, so let's quickly check it.